So the standard QGIS that we install includes the 4 plugins are already installed. However, there are several occasions when those particular plugins remain inactive, causing us to determine the best course of action. If additional plugins are necessary, we must proceed to install them and subsequently enable them from the pool of existing available plugins. We will see this. I have opened the QGIS screen. Now you need to click on plugins. Then you will see the Manage and Install Plugins window. Install Plugins is present and displayed here. For example, the Georeferencer or GDAN plugin is installed. So all you need to do is simply click on the relevant button to display it, and it will then appear neatly in your menu options. If there is any specific plugin that you want to install, then you can easily proceed to do so. Click and install the plugin. You can execute that step, and as a consequence, the plugin will be successfully installed. Then navigate to Settings and click on the Show Experimental Plugins option. When you click, any experimental plugins you have will also be shown. This option is extremely important in cases where no plugins are appearing. In such situations, you can click here, go to the settings, and then proceed by clicking the necessary selections. If once your plugins are installed, then they will immediately function. The various plugins will appear here within the application's main menu.